Now let us discuss bidding strategies used in search engine marketing. Choosing the right Google Ads bidding type and implementing solid strategy for adjusting bids is one of the most critical part as far as your Ads campaigning is considered. If you don't know what you are doing, you can end up wasting your entire budget, uh, though after a number of clicks. But when you make the right moves, you can take your campaign performance to new level. So just changing the bidding strategies can lead to an increase in conversions up to 142% as the survey suggests. Let us have the discussion that is most of the times whether to go for manual approach or automated approach. That is say we can mm, the question which comes in mind. Most people opt for automated because they want to adjust bids all the time, and if you are running the multiple campaigns, then definitely that is expected. But unfortunately, it is not that much simple as just selecting automated and letting it or allowing it as it is. So, manual bidding is one strategy where Google Ads, which they are also like known as manual CPC bidding strategies. Setting the maximum bidding price for your advertising is up to you, and when using a manual bidding technique, directly as a result, you can tell Google Ads how much you want to pay when the user clicks on the advertisement. Within this bid approach, business can also decide how much business as a model it is ready to spend to appear higher in search results for specific ads related keywords. So everything is in our control. You can manually adjust all these. Definitely the business does not want Google ads to charge for more than the campaigning budget. So therefore manual bidding is going to give you that freedom. If users wish to monitor the cost per click bid limit, one should also employ this particular approach. The manual bidding approach has one drawback of being demanding and time consuming sometimes, and one will be forced to invest a lot of effort in constantly revising the bid prices in order to avoid going over budget or choosing a bid amount that will not result in conversions for the campaign. So this may be the situation. In case of automated bidding strategy, definitely attempting to guess the ideal bidding price that will maximize the effectiveness of business advertisements. That automatic bidding will give you the best option. This is intended to assist you automatically setting and adjusting the bid price at each bidding, going to help business to accomplish the search engine marketing goal or objective. Definitely, it is helping you in keyword bid price, how to set, and it will optimize it for the business depending on company budget and the respective cost. It is going to actually achieve the SEM objectives. So, in this regard, there are different strategies mentioned in digital marketing. Some of them, which are conventionally used, I would like to just discuss briefly. So, first one is target CPA, what we call it as target cost per acquisition. This is CPA is cost per acquisition. This bidding strategy we can use if you want to optimize conversion. Driving conversions are your primary goal for the campaigning. Selecting target CPA bidding will focus on trying to convert the users for the specific acquisition cost. Google Ads will automatically set your bid on each campaign based on your CPA. Target CPA bidding can be just complicated if you don't know what your acquisition costs are. Your cost per acquisition is simply the amount of money you can afford to spend on acquiring one customer. So remember this. Like if your product is of 50 rupees and you don't want to set your target at 50, then you have to set the goal so that it will become profitable. So target CPA is one thing which you need to decide first. Second one is called where I mentioned this one, target ROA. So this is return on AD spend, target return on AD spend. This is bidding strategy that throws most for loop, because it requires some mathematics like target ROA is a strategy where maximize conversion value based on the return you want from your AD spend. So this may be a percentage based, and sales divided by AD spend into percentage, that is 100%, may be your target ROA. So you can calculate that in advance and you can set it. So this is the second thing. Then third thing is maximize conversions. Definitely using this maximize conversion is the simplest strategy. For example, if your say daily budget is of 100 rupees, Google will spend it wisely to find the most conversions. If a single conversion is of 20 rupees, then accordingly it will bid. Before selecting this bidding method, we have to be very much careful that what exactly is daily budget. At the end of campaign, check your return on investment and maximize conversions. Next is maximize conversion value. So this is the next option or a strategy. Works essentially same as target ROA. So return on AD based on investment, and definitely the basic thing is that you have to specify target ROI. You just let the whatever calculations you have done, and then give the best option in case of conversion value. Then the next is enhanced cost per click. So this is also one more strategy. ECPC it is called. It is a mix somewhere. It is a smart comparatively. Uh, it is Google definitely is going to have a right to increase or decrease as per your bid amount based on likelihood of driving the sale. If a search is too competitive and CPC are like very high, then Google can lower your bid to a cost less due to decreased chances of conversion. It is this type of bidding is available on both the search as well as in the display network. You can choose whether you want that particular to enhance your set bids or not. So Google's AD conversions is one thing which is based on cost per click. Then maximize clicks. So this is again automatic bidding strategy based on your maximum daily budget. Google ads will attempt to drive the most clicks possible with your daily budget. It is the best option if you have very limited budget. So this is maximize click is the best option as far as bidding strategy is considered. In you can limited your search volume for the keywords in your campaign. And next is manual CPC bidding. So manual CPC bidding gives you more control over your bidding strategy. But if you are not much comfortable, then this will set bid for different groups of the keywords differently. Search terms are more profitable than others. You can quickly adjust budget. Uh, if your campaigns are different, then also this particular can help you, and you can check in advance as a type of your campaign, and then you can go for the this kind of a manual bidding. Then there is in general CPM bidding, or what we call as uh, cost per thousand impressions, or we can have just a simple bidding option based on the impressions. It is reserved in general by the display network, and especially YouTube ads they are preferring this particular. And maybe sometimes for general campaign also one can go for it. And the one which is again used somewhere based on target impression share bidding, that is comparatively a new strategy. This is smart strategy, is focused on brand awareness. Basically that's why it is called as impression share bidding. And based on the brand awareness, it is going to help you reach as many people as possible. Like if you're looking for dominant impressions for specific keyword searches, then accordingly it will give you the that percentage impression. And based on that there will be a kind of a bidding. It is not going to guarantee that your ad is clicked, since it can appear in a the wherever the position is. But target impression share is mostly an option for your own branded search campaigns and limited number of key search terms for your particular brand. So these are some of the strategies in general, so which Google uh, ads are preferring while going for bidding.